The market as of now is pricing in a soft landing. Now, just because it's being priced in doesn't mean it's going to happen. You can have a scenario where the market prices in a soft landing, momentum starts building, and we don't get that. But as of now, this is what's being priced in. So I want to be really clear on what a soft landing is, and so you'll know what metrics to look for and won't be confused. Basically, what it is positive economic growth that is below trend, right? So we would see a continuation of kind of lower than normal industrial production, retail sales, real disposable income kind of stays around this level right here. And we can see a somewhat of a softening around there, which is enough to actually lower employment, but unemployment, excuse me, is enough to increase unemployment, lower employment, but not enough of a deceleration in growth to cause recessionary spikes in employment. And if we can see that, we would also, with a big factor, in my opinion, is not credit, it's going to be household income. We don't want to see a slowdown in growth and a slight spike in unemployment cause household checkable deposits to go down significantly. So those are the three factors. We need to see a below trend growth, positive growth in economic data, but below trend, enough that causes unemployment to go up some, which would help inflation go down, continue this disinflation pattern that we're seeing, but not enough to affect household income too much. And so you're seeing, household deposits, checkable deposits on a year-over-year basis are going negative. And that may seem like it's concerning. However, it's coming off of really high comps. And if you take a look at the gross deposits right now, about 4.2 billion, excuse me, is that a trillion? Yeah, excuse me. Yeah. We're about 4,232, but compared back when things were really soft, around 900 to 1,000. So as you can see, we're still seeing pretty high deposits of checkable deposits for households. So that's what we need to see. And we saw that this week. We saw service PMIs come in pretty strong. Productivity, U.S. productivity actually increase, while jobs numbers decreased and softened. And that is the dynamic of this soft landing scenario.